Okay, let's continue, and I think we can finish it up today. Okay, handle zoom in, hyperlink zoom in, set on action with the new event handler. So basically this one scale up everything, include font size and the picture, whatever you see on web page. So here size equal to 1.0, that's the default size. Then get zoom. Then you can increase by 10% every time when you click. Zoom in hyperlink. So you can set new value to zoom, depends on size. So that's how you can use zoom in, zoom out. It's pretty much same. If set plus 0.1, you can do minus 0.1. So that when you click zoom out, it will zoom out 10% every time when you click. So let me change to be minus, then zoom out 10%. Everything remains same. Next one, we want to scale up only font size. So HL font plus, set on action, new events handler. We can implement handle methods. Implementation is pretty similar to zoom in, zoom out. Here, WebView, we have a get font scale plus 0.1. And then WebView set font scale size. Again, handle font minus. Implementation is pretty much the same. Let me copy paste it. Decrease. It's here about. We can actually set text message. For example, if we have string contents, this is about us. You can just type the contents. Then we can set web engine, load contents, and then text HTML format. Pretty much that's it. Let's rebuild the project, run it. So again, I will go to CNN. Again, it can be a bit slow, so Wait for a while. So let me just go to a page with more content so that we can see zoom in, zoom out, font size, scale up and scale down. So let's just click one of them. Here you go. Okay, so no thanks. Let me zoom in. Okay, and everything is zoom in, include picture and font size. Zoom out. Okay, let's say font. Saying something wrong. The font size too big. I will fix it that later on. About us. Again, it's a bit slow, so let's click again. This is about us. You can go to backward. Then you can go back to home. Sometimes a bit slow, so just click one more. Okay. Everything seems okay. Here you don't have to worry too much about the background. There is some WebKit, something to do with the media player, which we haven't covered yet, so I will cover that later on. So let me just fix the font size. I think I should put it as a 0.1 instead of 1.0. Then it should be okay. Okay, let's change to 0.1, 0.1. Rebuild and then launch it. Then I will check with CNN website. This time when we click fonts plus, actual contents of the font size will be enlarged, only 10%. When you click font minus, it will be shrink for 10%. That's it. Okay, that's all. Thank you.